Today we are back at Stanley Park to give you this week's update for the Anfield Road stand expansion. So, since last week, we're going to go and see what changes have happened. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them below and we will get to them as soon as we possibly can. There's not going to be any drone footage in this video because the weather's too bad, so we can't get the drone up in the air. It's too windy, so we'll try and get that done over the weekend, hopefully. So we're going to do a walk around video and see what's changed. So we're going to start this side this week. Let me just flip yours. Let's go. Okay. Oh, let's see if we can get a sneaky shot here. Okay, so since last week, it looks like the structure of that corner stand is now nearly complete. If you remember, there's only one pole last week. This week, there seems to be two support poles in place. So, that's new. Not sure whether all these orange structure beams were here last week. I'll have to check that out. They filled the roof in a bit more as well. We just had to pause recording there to observe the 2-minute silence. It's Remembrance Day today, so it's a bit surreal. Everything just stopped. Everything. Okay, let's get back to it. So it looks like these orange structures just in front of us here. I think they're going to be going in soon. The crane's up there, hovering. So I think they're going up today. That corner stand looks a lot more complete than it did last week. So yeah. So it looks like the floor of the actual extension has now all been filled in. See? All done. All done. Let's just have a look at that. All done. Quite busy down here today. There's quite a few people about. If you have a look there on the end, they've added this extra like floor support. So I'm guessing we could call that. So they've added this extra floor support, so that is going to need filling in as well. Extra floor support there. Yeah, there we go. That's new. That definitely wasn't here last week. And now they've fitted this corner stand as well. It looks like actually in the process of doing that at the moment. as it doesn't look very secure. So they must be doing that, like, as I'm guessing that's getting done today. I'm just guessing. But yeah, that was definitely not there last week, and that extension at the end definitely wasn't there. So it's all new, all new. Right, we're going to take a walk round the far side and see where we're up to there. Where to keep the supplies. Excuse me. Where to keep the supplies is now looking pretty empty, to be honest. You'll see now. See? Empty. Empty. So, we're nearly complete. Again. Bit of funky music going on in the background there. I don't know whether you can hear that. So this is it. British Euro support weren't there, them orange ones. I'm gonna have to check that. But one thing for sure is the actual roof has been filled in a lot more than it was last week. And this corner stand has been fitted. I'm pretty sure that wasn't here last week. And then you've got the extra support for the floor, which is completely empty at the moment, by the way. So that's going to need filling in as well. So yeah. Looking good. Don't forget, if you've got any questions you want me to find out, or you want to leave any comments, positive or negative, you know, you can leave them in the comment section below, and we will reply to them as soon as we possibly can. So, the World Cup starts in 9 days. So, I've been speaking to one of the guys there. Liverpool play at home this weekend, I think it's tomorrow. When that home game's finished, the work they're doing in the World Cup's going to start on Monday. So we'll try and get down here and see what's going on with that. So that's Monday, the 14th of November. So that's when the work where they're going to be ripping the old Anfield road stands out, the roof, beg your pardon, and apparently they're modernising the stand as well. So that's due to start on Monday. That is it for this week's update. As I said at the start of the video, if we can get down, weather dependent, and get the drone up in the air, we can see what it looks like from above. So we'll try and get that done in the next couple of days, okay? Don't forget, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel for future content, just like what you're watching at the moment. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we will be trying to bring you the best videos we possibly can on these particular subjects. Have a great day and a great weekend, and we'll see you very soon.